What I have for breakfast every day to keep my testosterone up is milk, obviously, oats. I don't put the oats into the last 20 seconds though, because if you overcook it, it destroys all the goodness in it. Just a handful of almonds, eat them all day long, handful of mixed fruit and a handful of fenugreek seeds. These are really hard to chew, so good for your jaw. And that's all I do. I wait for it to get hot, and then for the last 20 seconds, it's already hot, so for the last 20 seconds I'll just put the oats in. I try and have this every day, but if not, if I haven't got any oats, I'll have eggs. Like 4 boiled or poached eggs or something, which is also brilliant for you. Probably better for you than this, it could be actually. But then last but not least, honey. This is real, and I know it's in the Tesco's pot, but I bought real honey. And by real honey I mean natural bees honey, and it hasn't been messed about with by supermarkets. So pour that in, and that is it. That is my breakfast. Right, I'm going to enjoy it. Right, so I'm just going to have my dinner now. So I'm having this steak. Lovely meat. Man food. So that was a Big Daddy extra thick 16-ounce rump steak. I usually have this minced beef, really cheap. That was about £7. This is about 3. And that'll last for 2 dinners, that will, for me. So a whole day's of food. 20% fat, you want high fat. But this is for today. Proper food. I'm going to put some butter in there just to cook it in. And then I've got garlic, ginger, almond, parsley. I only put a bit of parsley because it does taste horrible, but it's good for testosterone, so we have it. And fenugreek, all them are good for testosterone, so that's going to be my dinner. I'm going to cook it both sides and then chuck all that in there, and then that's it. I won't have anything else with it, just meat and that, maybe an apple afterwards. Right, I'm going to get cooking. Unbelievable. Bad. To top it off, I usually have 4 eggs, but I've only got 4 eggs left, so I'm going to save 2 of them for tonight. I'm going to have 2 eggs on top of my steak. So, important, eggs are really important. Today, I'm going to have 4 eggs. Having eggs at the end of the day is supposed to be good for testosterone because it helps you in the night in creating it. We've got a handful of almonds and nuts as well, I'll have them after. So I'm just going to have 4 poached eggs on toast, 2 pieces of bread, buttered bread, and that'll do for today then. So that's what I eat every day. It's repetitive, but you got to do it. Keep your testosterone up, keep building muscle as well.